Good morning friends. Today we are going to differentiate this function with respect to x. So this is in the form of y equal to u by v. So if you want to find dy by dx, so according to quotient rule we have v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. So this is the formula. Okay. Now given u equal to cos x, so we have to find du by dx. So du by dx is du by dx is d by dx of cos x, that is minus sin x, and v. What is v here? What is v here? Log x. So this is u and this is v. Okay, v is log x. Okay, now dv by dx is dv by dx is d by dx of log x, that is 1 by x. Okay, then now this is du by dx is 1 and this is 2. Now we are going to substitute these values here. Okay, dy by dx equal to v. What is v here? What is v here? Log x. Log x. Log x. Du by dx. Du by dx. What is du by dx here? Minus sin x. Minus sin x. Okay. Minus u. What is u here? Cos x. Cos x. What is dv by dx? dv by dx. dv by dx is 1 by x. Okay. By v square. What is v here? What is v here? Log x. Log x. Log x whole square. Okay. Then take minus common. Minus of log x sin x plus cos x by x by log x whole square. Okay. Now take the LCM. LCM is x. So x log x sin x plus cos x by log x whole square. Okay. Now this can be written as minus, you can write log x sin x or sin x log x. So minus x sin x log x plus cos x by x log x whole square. this is your solution. So finally dy by dx equal to this. So this is your solution. That's all. Okay. And this is quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay. Okay. That's all.